Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Today the date is 3rd September 2020 and the day is Thursday. We are in the chemistry class 9th. In the last lecture we discussed about alkanes, in which we said alkanes are paraffins. It means that they are less affinity and they give only substitution reaction. The reaction in which one hydrogen is replaced by the other atom is called substitution reaction. Now we are going to start our next topic, which is about alkenes. It's page number 87, chapter number 12. Alkenes. The simplest alkene is ethene, having formula C2H2. These compounds are also known as olefin, a Latin word meaning oil forming, because first member form oil products when react with halogens. Alkenes का जो simplest formula है, जो general formula था alkene का, we have discussed it. It was CnH2n minus 2. The simplest alkene is ethene. इसका formula है C2H2. Ethene alkene is known as olefin because they form the oily products, and alkenes are known as paraffin because para means less, affin means affinity. A few alkenes with their molecular condensed structure and cross and dot formula are given table 12.1. It's table 12.1 and there are the structure formula, condensed formula, dot and cross formula. Ethylene or ethene, propylene or propene, butylene or butene, pentene, C5H10. Do the practice of these structures on your rough register. Next is the occurrence. Alkenes, being more reactive than alkanes, seldom occur free in nature. Why alkenes are more reactive? Because they are unsaturated, they have double bond, and they have the ability to react because of unsaturation. Lower alkenes occur in coal gas in minute quantities. Ethylene is present in natural gas sometimes to the extent of 20%. Alkenes are produced in large amount by cracking of petroleum. Preparation of alkenes. Alkenes are produced by the removal of small atoms like hydrogen, hydroxyl or X from the adjacent carbon atom of the saturated compound so as to create a double bond between carbon atoms. इसकी प्रिपरेशन के जो मेथड्स हैं दे आर गिवन. डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल. इट मीन्स डैट अगर हम अल्कोहल में से वाटर को रिमूव कर दें, डिहाइड्रेट मीन्स वाटर, रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर, इट इज़ नोन एज डिहाइड्रेशन. डिहाइड्रेशन इज द रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर. हाईलाइट करें इस पॉइंट को. इथेन इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय हीटिंग अ मिक्सचर ऑफ एथेनॉल एंड एक्सेस ऑफ कंसनट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एट 180 डिग्री C. In first step, ethyl hydrogen sulfate is formed, which decomposes on heating to produce ethene, which is collected over water. ठीक है, ये हमारे पास इथाइल अल्कोहल का फॉर्मूला CH3CH2OH प्लस H2SO4. एक हाइड्रोजन हमारा HSO4 में से रिमूव होगा और OH हमारा इथाइल अल्कोहल में से रिमूव होगा. OH हमारा इथाइल अल्कोहल में से रिमूव होगा और हाइड्रोजन हमारे से सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड हाइड्रोजन में से रिमूव होगा. दोनों मिलकर हमारा वाटर बना देंगे. तो रिमेनिंग हमारे पास बचेगा CH3 CH2 CH, ठीक है, और HSO4, जिसको उन्होंने इस तरह से लिख दिया है CH3 CH2OSO3H. ठीक है, आप इसको दोनों तरह से लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट अगेन इसमें से सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड रिमूव होगी और CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2 बन जाएगा. Dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. On heating ethyl bromide with alcoholic potassium hydroxide, ethene is formed. Removal of hydrogen and halogen takes place from adjacent carbon atoms to create a double bond. ठीक है, alkyl halide potassium hydroxide, अगेन इसमें से एक हाइड्रोजन, alkyl halide में से एक हाइड्रोजन और ब्रोमाइड रिमूव होगी और वहाँ से ये हमारे पास CH2 बना देगा. ठीक है, और KBr प्लस H2O. Physical properties of alkene. The first member of the alkene is ethene. As we know that it is a colorless gas with pleasant odor. Alkenes are non-polar because no poles are formed, no positive and negative ending in them. Therefore, they are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. The first member of the series, ethene, is slightly less denser than air. Alkenes are flammable hydrocarbons. On complete combustion, they form carbon dioxide and water with release of energy. However, their flame is smokier than alkenes, having a similar number of carbon atoms. Their melting and boiling points gradually increase with the increase of molecular size of the compound in the series. They are the simplest point, we have already discussed them. Chemical reactions. Alkenes are reactive compounds because the electron of the double bonds are easily available for reaction. इसकी रीज़न क्या है? इसकी रीज़न अनसैचुरेशन है. ठीक है, अनसैचुरेशन में हमारे पास बॉन्ड्स वीक होते हैं. These compounds have a tendency to react readily by adding other atoms to become saturated compound. अब यहाँ पर जो पॉइंट हाईलाइट करने वाला है वो ये है कि these compounds have tendency to react readily by adding other atom. इनके अंदर एटम ऐड होते हैं. ठीक है, जबकि एल्केन्स के अंदर जो एटम्स है वो रिप्लेस होते हैं. एल्केन्स में जब रिएक्शन होता है तो एटम्स रिप्लेस होते हैं, जबकि एल्कीन्स में जब रिएक्शन होता है तो एटम ऐड होते हैं. हाईलाइट करें इस पॉइंट को. दस एडिशन रिएक्शंस आर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड्स. हाईलाइट करें. These are the reactions in which the products are formed by the addition of some reagents like hydrogen, chlorine, etc. to an unsaturated organic compound. In the process, one of the bond of the double bond gets broken and two new single bonds are formed. Like hydrogenation of alkenes. Hydrogenation means addition of molecular hydrogen to an unsaturated hydrocarbons in the presence of catalyst nickel and platinum. निकल और प्लैटिनम ये हमारे रिडक्शन रिएक्शन होते हैं टू फॉर्म कैटलिस्ट हैं, टू फॉर्म सैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड्स. डबल बॉन्ड है, दो हाइड्रोजन ऐड होंगे, एक हाइड्रोजन एक कार्बन के साथ आकर अटैच होगा और एक हाइड्रोजन दूसरे कार्बन के साथ आकर अटैच होगा और ये हमारे पास एल्केन बना देंगे. On industrial scale, this reaction is used to convert vegetable oil into margarine. वनस्पति घी. हाईलाइट करें. It is important according to exam's point of view. Next है जी halogenation of alkenes. Halogenation means addition of halogen like chlorine or bromine. Bromination of alkene is very important reaction. When bromine in water having red brown color is added to ethene, it is an inert solvent like carbon tetrachloride. Its color is discharged at once. What is the inert solvents? Those solvents which give only medium and do not participate in the chemical reaction, they are known as inert solvent. I repeat it. Those solvents which provide only medium for the reaction but they do not take part in the chemical reaction, they are known as inert solvent. Okay, we have ethene and bromine. One bromine will attach with one carbon and second bromine will attach with the second carbon and single bond will be formed. In the reaction, double bond of ethene is converted into a single bond by the addition of a molecule of bromine. This reaction is used to identify the unsaturation of an organic compound. Hydrohalogenation of alkene. Dry gaseous hydrogen halide like hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide and hydrochloric acid react with alkenes to produce alkyl halides. These are the simplest reaction. Again, we have discussed it. You can practice on the rough register. The order of reactivity of hydrogen halide is hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide and hydrochloric acid. Oxidation of alkenes with KMnO4. Alkenes decolorize the pink color of acidified dilute solution of potassium permanganate because the double bond electrons react with manganese ion, which further goes on to form manganese, and of ethene glycol such as देयर इज़ एडिशन ऑफ 2 हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप एट द डबल बॉन्ड. हाईलाइट करें इस पॉइंट को, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है पॉइंट. व्हाट इज ग्लाइकोल? एडिशन ऑफ 2 हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप एट द डबल बॉन्ड इज नोन एज ग्लाइकोल. ठीक है, नीचे आप ये रिएक्शन में भी देख सकते हैं कि इथीन है, KMnO4 और वाटर है. तो यहाँ पर 2 हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप आके हमारे डबल बॉन्ड के साथ अटैच हो गए हैं. इसको हम लोग ग्लाइकोल का नाम देंगे. दिस रिएक्शन इज यूज टू टेस्ट द अनसैचुरेशन इन एन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. हाईलाइट करें इस पॉइंट को, इट इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन. यूजेज ऑफ इथीन. It is used for artificial ripening of fruits, such as it is also used as general anesthetic. For manufacturing of polythene. Polythene is a plastic material used in packing toys, bags, etc. as a starting material for the manufacture of a large number of compounds such as ethylene oxide, ethyl alcohol, ethylene glycol, diethyl ether. Ethylene oxide is used as fumigant. Ethylene glycol is used as antifreeze. Diethyl ether and ethyl alcohol are used as solvent and for making poisonous mustard gas, which is used in chemical warfare. These are the simplest points which are mostly used in our routine life. We have tested self 12.3. Why are alkenes reactive? Because they are unsaturated. हमने डिस्कस किया है, आपने आंसर लिखना है इसका. हाउ कैन यू प्रिपेयर प्रिपेन फ्रॉम प्रोपाइल अल्कोहल, ये भी डिस्कस किया है. गिव अ टेस्ट यूज टू आइडेंटिफाई अनसैचुरेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. इसमें हम लोगों ने हाइड्रोहेलोजिनेशन ऑफ एल्कीन, इसमें हम लोगों ने ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ एल्कीन विद KMnO4. गिव अ फ्यू यूजेस ऑफ इथीन, ये भी अभी हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया है. इट वॉज आवर ओवरऑल टूडेज लेक्चर. इफ़ यू फाइंड एनी डिफिकल्टी, हाईलाइट द पॉइंट एंड कैन आस्क. थैंक यू.